Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lucore Automotive. It is time to start another project here. Again, this is a 1980 Chevy C10, and it has a 305, 350, I don't know, something. Who knows what's in this thing? Customer brought it to us because whatever that is not good enough. So we are going to go through a full engine swap on this guy. We have a brand new crate motor sitting over yonder, and it's going to go back in this hole. But in order to do that, this motor's got to come out. Then we're also going to do some custom exhaust work as well. Should be a pretty quick and easy process, in and out of here in a couple of days. We'll see. Derek is going to be the one doing most of the work, which is even better for me. So, if you're interested in seeing a quick build on a Chevy C10, pay attention. Now these square body trucks are obviously really popular these days. The nice thing is Chevy made a ton of them for a long period of time, so they are still pretty popular and they're still pretty available. It's not what a lot of the collectors are really looking for, but they can be a great platform for somebody that wants to make a hot rod truck. Now this particular truck is not going to be anything totally crazy. We're not going to be throwing anything really nuts underneath the hood of this. This unknown mill is coming out, and we've got a 383 stroker that's going to go in its place. Now, the extra displacement, the modern technology of a new camshaft, a lot of the things that you can do in a modern 383 stroker will be considerably better than whatever was in this thing in 1980. And that's provided this is the original motor. We honestly have no idea, and it really doesn't make any sense to spend any time or energy working on this motor when you can just take a 383, stick it in the hole. So, no big deal. You gotta load it up on the rack, take it up in the air, take the fluids out of it, and go through the process to get this thing pulled apart. You're gonna watch Derek do a bunch of work here, and we're gonna go on a time lapse. So here we go. Let's go pressure pump on. That's nice. Oh, it's in foam. It'll be all right. Nice. This vinyl fuel line here is literally hard as a rock. I do not recommend using vinyl line for fuel line. Today's ethanol fuels attack this stuff. It's actually leaking already, just from me playing with it. Don't use this. Oh, there it goes. It's leaking. Don't use that stuff. No bueno.
Bad for baby. That stinks. Lumps in my gravy. Oh, got it. Guess I just wasn't holding my tongue the right way. Time to go up in the air. I'll cut my fuel line last because it's going to end up leaking all over the floor. Grab my tools. Throw them on the ground. Now that we're making this thing go, pitman arm, idler arm, tie rod ends, we might want to make this thing steerable, just saying. So we got a 200 R4, which is nice. Push that guy back. Transmission's loose. I need to disconnect my TV cable. Trans cooler lines are now off. And take my motor mount bolts out. My last torque converter bolt, my last bell bolt. I don't think it'll go anywhere. Watch everything fall out of the truck. Look at that. She's ready to come out. Staples removed. That one's off.
out of my shot. Hold on, Rich, get in there again. Derek, move a little to the left. Nope, now Bruce is out of shot. Bruce, get in here to the right. There we go.
Got 3 of my best guys on it right now.
Well, there you go. Old heart out, new heart ready to go back in. Pretty reasonably straightforward process. Nice thing about working on with a truck is you have a lot of room to work with, so no real big deal. So we'll wrap this video up now. Next time to put the new motor back in the same hole and probably fix a few other things first. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed this episode. As always, please click on that subscribe button. Please click on the like button. Drop us a comment below if you're interested in the Chevy square body project we're working on. If you have any suggestions, questions, comments, flames, whatever. We like it all. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Time to get back to work.